Welcome to 194 Sunset Road in the beautiful community of Rotonda Heights. This stunning home offers the perfect blend of comfort, style, and Florida living at its finest. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the charming curb appeal, complete with lush landscaping and a screened-in front porch. As you enter, you're welcomed by a spacious, open-concept living area with soaring cathedral ceilings, creating an inviting and airy atmosphere. The heart of the home is this beautifully designed modern kitchen, featuring stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinetry, and stunning granite countertops. The formal dining area is just steps away. This primary suite retreat is your personal oasis, complete with elegant tray ceilings and direct lanai access, making it easy to step outside and enjoy the fresh air. With dual walk-in closets, you'll have plenty of storage space. The ensuite bathroom is designed with both luxury and convenience in mind, featuring dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and a linen closet to keep your space organized. The screened lanai offers the perfect place to lounge, complete with ceiling fans and pull-down shades to keep you comfortable. Take a dip in your heated pool, ideal for year-round relaxation. This is more than just a house. It's the Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Don't miss your chance to make this stunning home yours. Contact us today to schedule your private tour.